Are you looking for a hands-on career that offers a wide range of diversity and work environments? Stay cool and heat up your career outlook as you train for a career in the HVAC industry. Whether it be in a residential, commercial, or industrial setting, graduates of our program are trained for entry-level positions. Make an impact on the quality of life for people who are at home or work with Perry Tech's 2-year heating, ventilation, air conditioning, and refrigeration, or HVAC technology program. From practical application math to parallel electrical circuits, students are provided a knowledge base and skills required in the trade, including pipe threading, basic sheet metal fabrication, welding, wiring, control circuits, variable frequency drives, and chillers. The HVAC program integrates systems to allow students to learn about not only the mechanical, but also the electrical operations found in the industry. Additionally, all students will have the opportunity to participate in an externship, where they can develop their newly acquired skills and apply them in a real-world environment prior to entering the workforce. Plus, all students can pursue industry certifications, including NATE and RITA, to help increase their industry-specific knowledge. Perry Tech's HVAC program is approved by the Washington State Department of Labor and Industries as an 06A HVAC Specialty Electrical Training Program, and graduates may be credited with up to 1 year or 2,000 hours towards their 2 years or 4,000 hours required by the state of Washington to be eligible to take the certification exam for the 06A HVAC Specialty Electrical License. Upon graduation, you will have demonstrated what it takes to both install and service systems such as natural gas heating systems, along with heat pumps, commercial refrigerators, and more in pursuit of a lifelong career. With a night course option available, get started today by scheduling your program tour at perrytech.edu/tour, and you can be on your way to a rewarding career.